Mhm. Hello everyone. Today we are going to present the topic performance optimization, buffer cache and generaling. Our group members are Vanshika Bobde, Abhinav Kharate, Sujal Sonone and Rohan Varade. Enhancing operating system and performance. Performance optimization in operating systems mainly focuses on improving the speed and reliability of data handling. The slowest part of system performance usually comes from disk input and output operations, so which creates a major bottleneck. To overcome this issue, operating system uses two very important techniques. First, buffer cache, which improves performance and speed, and second, generaling, which improves reliability and help in data recovery after crashes. Buffer caches and its concepts. Buffer cache is a temporary storage area in RAM where disk data is stored either before being returned to disk or after being read from disk. The main purpose is to reduce the frequency of disk access and improve the overall speed of the data retrieval. Its working is when data is requested by the system, the operating system first checks if it's already available in cache. If it is found, it's called a cache hit and data is accessed very quickly. And if not found, it's called a cache miss and the data is fetched from the device and stored in cache for future use. There are two types of write policy. In write through, data is returned to both the cache and the disk at same time. In write back, data is returned to cache first and to the disk later, which improves performance but has some risk. Advantages and limitation of buffer cache. The buffer cache provides several benefits such as it produces disk input output time, improves overall system speed, and increases CPU efficiency. It can also combine many small write operations into fewer large ones, which saves time. However, it has some drawbacks. If the data crashes before the cache content are written to the disk, data may be lost. And since cache uses part of the main memory, it consumes additional RAM. Now, generaling its concept and working. Generaling is a technique used by file systems to record changes before applying them to the main file system. The main goal of generaling is to ensure quick recovery and prevent data corruption after power failure or system crashes. The working is first, all the changes are written to a general, which is like a log file. Then the same changes are applied to the main file system. If a crash occurs, the system reads the general during restart and replaces the changes to the restore consistency. And there are three modes of generaling. First, write back, which log only metadata. Second, ordered, which log metadata and keep data in order. And then data generaling, which logs both data and metadata for maximum safety. Now the next slide will be explained by Abhinav Kharate.
and data reliability. Performance optimization in operating system is all about finding the perfect balance between speed and reliability. References are used operating system concept Linux kernel and documentation and research paper on the ext4 and NCFS file system. Thank you.
Stop.